Hi everyone. Today we're going to replace the emergency brake shoe on this 2018 Nissan Murano. Let's go. With the vehicle secure, we're going to remove the wheel. These are 19 mil. I'm going to use my impact gun. Just in reverse. Sorry. These are 21. These are 21. Okay, now I'm going to remove the caliper and then I'm going to remove the caliper bracket. I'm not going to remove them together as I've seen some people do. So these are 14. Here I have to use a wrench because this cannot fit. I cannot get a socket inside there. So that I'm going to be using a wrench. Okay, it looks like I will have to remove the caliper bracket with this bolt still in because I cannot get it out. There's not enough clearance right here, and this is not off. So the caliper bracket, I think those are 19. The caliper bracket bolts are 19. I might as well leave this one in. At least for now. Okay, that's the top one. Now for the lower one, again I will have to use a 19 wrench. So on the lower bolt we have to use a 19-inch wrench because you cannot fit a socket behind it. So I got a wrench on it. So I'm just gonna break it. I wish I had a longer 19-inch. I don't know if I have one, but I can't find it. Okay, so now I got the caliper bolt out. I could remove everything. I'm just gonna put it over here. Maybe just rest behind there. Out the way. Now I can remove the roller. Okay, the roller is off. Okay, so I don't know if you can see right here. The shoe is all eaten out. I don't know what that means. The shoe is all eaten out, so I definitely need to go. So I'm gonna remove the spring, but I'm gonna release the tension. I'm gonna release the tension on these a little by turning this, by closing this. So I'm releasing the tension on the spring. So I'm gonna try using this as my hook to release the spring. Get it behind. So I'm just using a locking pliers to hold this wire, and then I'm gonna use it to pull on the spring. Here we go. There we go. The spring is out. Okay, so that's one spring. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the lower spring. This is my contraption. Just a piece of, this is just a clothes hanger and bent. And now it's gonna hook it behind the spring and pull it out. So to get it behind there, you can see my hand. I just wanna get the spring behind the spring. Just wanna get the clothes hanger behind the spring. Oh, I guess it came off. And here's the spring. I'm just gonna remove this. Now we're just gonna remove these spring. Push in, turn. There we go, that's one. These brakes are, this one's not bad, it's pretty low. Remove this side as well. Just gonna make sure I put them back how they were. So the big notch obviously goes to the top, okay. Turn. So at 90 degrees, yep. There we go. That's one. So look at this pad. It's all, wow. This was rubbing. Look at that. This is worn down. This was rubbing. How did that happen? There's no emergency brakes on this. It's crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna spray it up. Run a little clean. Okay, so now it's time to reinstall the brakes. So for the next portion of the videos, I'm gonna do a voiceover because my neighbor came over and was talking to me while I was installing the brakes. So now I'm going to install the brake shoe. So I'm going to use that spring retainer, and I'm going to set it in place and turn it to about a 90 degree, and that will hold the brake shoe in place firmly. So now I'm just gonna adjust the brake shoe so it sits evenly. So now it's time to install the springs, and I'm gonna do the lower one first. So I set it in place. I hooked one side of the spring in place. So the next side, I'm just gonna use my contraption, which is a vice grip with a bent clothes hanger. So I'm just gonna hook it and hook it onto the spring, and I'm just gonna pull it. So now I'm going to install the adjustable mechanism at the top. So I just set it in place, make sure it sits in the groove. And that's it. Here you can see that the brake is not sitting evenly, so I just use my bar to adjust it, and now it is sitting evenly. Now I'm going to install the top spring. I hook it on to one side first, then again I'm going to use my contraption to hook the other side and just pull it to the hole. Here my hand is in the way, but what I'm basically doing is just using the vice grip and the clothes hanger to hook the spring and pull it towards the hole. Now I'm adjusting the brake pad out a bit. I did adjust it all the way in before I took it off. Now I'm going to put the roller on. Okay, so now I'm going to adjust the brake shoe. I'm going to go down on the mechanism, and that's going into anti-clockwise, and that will make the brake shoe come in contact with the roller. As you can see right here, it's a bit tight, so I'm going to go in the opposite direction, which is up, clockwise direction, and that will release the brake pad from the roller. And that's how you do it, and keep doing this until you find the right tension. You don't want it to be too loose or too tight, because that will bind the brakes, and that won't be good. So that's about it. Hope you guys learned something from this. I hope I was able to help someone out there. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much. Appreciate y'all.